Hi, lesson for today will be as the year. Yeah, I don't know what I should play it through, but let me try and clip it through. Okay. All right. So what we're doing here now? The first part of the song goes from a one to a seven to a three to a six. Okay. So let's get that covered before we can move on. So as the year moves from a one, now the one I'm having the F C F for my left hand, and I'm having C F A G C on my right hand. Now, if your fingers are not wider like mine, you can just play this one and leave this C out, okay? Or you can play this one and have it added. So any of them, you can leave them out, whichever way you want to. Okay. Then you move to the 7, which will be E on both, E octave on your left hand, and the C major chord in first root chord octave. Okay, so we have the C, E, G, and C with E on my left hand. Okay, now we go to a 3. There are so many ways to play the 3 here, but I want to keep the melody intact, so we try to prefer this octa chord. Okay, which will be, it's more or less like playing the F augmented chord rather, okay, like this, but we try to add a 5. Okay, so we have a C sharp, F and A over the A and G on your left hand. Okay, and that brings us to the 6, which is D on your left, or you can play the D A C on your left, but no, you can ignore it because you have it written D A C on your right hand here. So you try to keep the chords close. Okay, so they have a unique sound. So the left is D and the right is A, C, D, and F. Okay, or you can just play this, but adding this to it, give it a little more that jazzy sound. So, alright, so that's the first part. So in the beginning, you can just arpeggio the chord. Alright, now we're going to the 4, but we use the 2/5 of the 4 as a passing chord. So we are dealing with here our chord we are going to is 4, which is a B flat, but we are treating the B flat major chord on its own as hey, it's 1. So we use the 2, the 5 as a passing chord together. Okay, so now on the 2, which will be in terms of B flat, or 5 in terms of F, we will have a D sharp, G, and B flat on our right hand. Okay, or you can play this B flat here. Okay, but to keep the melody intact, so you can have the B flat on top. Okay, so from the 1, so you can use this as a passing note. Then the same note, then you come to the 1. Okay, now on the 1, just the same chord you played, we are just dropping the B flat to A. So you can play it as this. Okay, or if you played this one rather, which is one of the easiest way to play, you just drop your thumb. Okay, so whichever way you feel comfortable. But playing this way will keep the melody intact. Then you come to the 4. Okay, now this is the melody. So the 4 is demanding a note that will have this D on top. Okay, so you could play an easy 4 like this, or you can play the 6 over the 4, then to a 5. Now after we are going to a 3, to a 6, and a 2, 5, and 1 to start again. That's a turning around that we did over there. So let me explain a little further. Yeah, so 1, 7, 3 to 6. Now to the 4. Okay, now the 4 we are playing this chord. Now on your left hand you can play the B flat, C and A. Then your right you play the F, A and D. Then you play this chord. Okay, this is the C major chord in this inversion, but you can just add this. It's more or less like adding the 2 ninths. Okay, let's call it C 9. Okay, yeah. So 2, 5 to the 4. Then you go to the 5. Now here we go to the 3. Alright, that's a turnaround. Then back to the 1. Then we play the whole thing over again. So here, after playing the 5, you go to a 3. So in the 3 you can even play A and F on your left hand, and C, G, and C on your right. Okay, or you can either F and C to G together if you want to make a lot of noise. But if you want to keep it very simple, you can just play the 3, just the A on your left hand. Then you go to 6. The 6 is mostly playing the C diminished over the 6. It's more or less like a passing chord to the 2. So anytime you're playing a song and you're going to the 2, you can use that as a passing chord. Okay, so 3. So 6, we have the D on our left hand, then C, E flat, G flat, and A on our right hand. Okay, then bring us to the 2. And the 2 we are playing the minor 7th. Okay, that's the G minor 7th chord. So we have B flat, D, F, and A. You could have added a 2 on our right hand, but the 2 is already here. Okay, so we play only the G on our left hand, B flat, D, F, and A. Then when you play this, now on the 5 we have B flat, D, E, and G. So it's just a matter of moving these ones. Okay, your last 2 notes. Then we start again. So back to the 1, to the 5, 7, to the 3, to the 6, then 2, to the 5, to the 1 here over the 4. Okay, now here we just go straight to the 5. So the 5, we first of all play the 2 over the 5. Okay, that will be for the first part. So as the thing, so long and after thee. You alone hath my desire. I long to worship you. And the next part go like 6. No, you can go play there. So, okay. Then we start. So here we play 7, 3 to the 6. Okay. On the 7 we have, it's different from the first 7 we played here because this is more or less like a passing chord to the 6 rather. So we have, you can use this G, A as a picking note. Okay, then that will lead you to this chord D, G and B flat over the E. Then we go to the 3. And this 3 is also different. This time we are playing C sharp, F, G and C on our right. Then okay, then the A on our right, left. Then we go to the 6 in, is this second inversion? Yeah, second inversion. Then we go to 5, 4. Okay, so 7, 3, 6. Then we make this move. So 7, 6, 5. So 6 we have C on our left, G, C and E on our right. Then we have 4, we have the B flat on our left, F, B flat and D on our right. Then you move your left hand to the C, then you end on the 1. Okay, then we go to the 4 again, but this time we use, so going back to the 4, you know, there is this thing we call the 7, the 6, 7, 1 that we use. So now here again we're treating the 4 as 1. So we are using 8, 6, which would be the G, and 8, 7, which would be the A as passing chord. So on the 6, or on the 2, let me say 2, you have B flat, F and E flat, F and B flat on your right and G on your left. Then you have F, G and C on your left and A. Then you go to your 4. Now on the 4 you can just play B flat octave, or you can play B flat, F and A, then F, A and D on your left hand, but you can use the G as a grace note. So you have, okay, now 7 and 2 and 3. Okay, so 7, the 7 that I already showed you, and the 3 we played at first with the augmented, F augmented on top. So then C, C sharp, F, A, and A on the left hand. Then that's the song, then we start again. Alright, so that's it. So we try to invert a lot of those chords too. That will make it